Meaning of heptahedron.
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 Heptahedron. A heptahedron is a solid geometric shape with 7 faces. It is a polyhedron, which means that all of its faces are flat polygons. The heptahedron can come in many different forms, but all of them will have 7 faces. Some examples of heptahedra include the pentagonal pyramid and the triangular prism. These shapes appear frequently in mathematics and engineering, where their properties make them useful for modeling and solving problems. Overall, the heptahedron is an interesting and important shape with many practical applications.